Yeah, I got tons of real information in the videos that I post. It's just there's no bullshit. It's the real way to do it, right? You just, if you are looking to get into dropshipping, you need to understand a few things. And what you see on YouTube about dropshipping is you see people obviously claiming, to make 10, 20, 30k a month, 50k a month dropshipping. But what a lot of people fail to understand is that most people dropshipping are making between 5 and 15% net margins after all of the costs. You have to understand, you are just a middleman, and there's so many other people. You've got a manufacturer, you've got a supplier, then you've got sometimes even a distributor as well, and then you've got you selling the product, and then you've got the platform fees, and then you've got the shipping, and then you've got your advertising costs. It's no wonder that most people barely make any profit whatsoever dropshipping, between 5 or 10%. The reason why people who sell our products online are able to make decent profits is because just there's way less middlemen involved. You have us, we're the manufacturer and the supplier. We don't take a cut on shipping because we actually allow our resellers to supply us with their own shipping labels, so we allow them to get negotiated carrier rates with either the platform. They can buy the shipping labels directly on eBay and Etsy using the funds that they sell the product for, and we don't charge them any shipping. We only charge them for the product cost, right? So basically we've eliminated a lot of costs for everyone. There's no middlemen, that you've just got us, them, and the platform, and that's how we're able to sort of give them 20 to 25% profit margins, which is a lot higher than basically what most people do in dropshipping are able to ever achieve. But the reason why people fail with dropshipping is because they believe the hype, they believe what they see on YouTube about dropshipping is go and find a trending product. You'll see people say, oh, just go on TikTok and just type in hashtag, TikTok, maybe buy this, find something that's trending, find that product on AliExpress, and then list that on a Shopify store, and then just run paid ads on Facebook to it. That is the fastest way for you to go completely broke, right? Because what you will do is you're chasing a trend on which the only way for you to actually be successful is to actually, for your ad to go viral, right? Which is a 0.01% chance. It's so minuscule chance, and that's even if you've got all your unit economics right, in terms of like how much money you're actually physically making out of that product by the time everyone gets paid, right? So, I just don't think it's good business to try and make 5% profit margins. I think that's just not good business at all, no matter what type of business you're in. I only promote in all of my videos no paid ads whatsoever. And the reason why I promote no paid ads whatsoever is because in order to run paid ads successfully, you need to be selling high ticket products. You need to be selling products well over $200, $250 a time, because that's how much volume of ads, because it's the CPCs, the cost per clicks, are not cheap on any of these platforms, and they will just, you would need huge conversion margins which are just not even obtainable to make the cost per click work on lower ticket items. So most people are dropshipping, they're dropshipping items between sort of $10, $20, $30 range. You can't run ads to that successfully, it's impossible. So what I teach in my videos is, and you can go on the website right now, the link is in the top of the chat. There is on my website, if you go to the menu, there is a how to your first 10k with Shopify. And that is the actual strategy that I personally use when I'm building Shopify stores from zero so basically a new Shopify store, new brand, 0 followers. We build it from zero and we can take that store all the way to £10,000 in sales. So the strategy is basically all on that guide. that How to Your First 10K with Shopify guide. That guide is completely free. There's a video on there as well, which is like an hour long. Tells you, there's me explaining exactly how it works, and that's how you do it. You don't use paid ads whatsoever. You just do complete 100% organic, and you use other people's audiences to grow and build your store. You use something called influencer marketing, which I'm sure you've probably heard of. You don't waste money on paid ads. You just use that money that you would have spent on paid ads and spend that on paying for products to be sent to these influencers so they can create content to show their audience. Because when you start, nobody knows about you at all. You have zero traffic, you have no way of reaching anyone because you have 0 followers, and at best, the only stuff you can post on Instagram or TikTok to try and get followers and likes are stock photos from your supplier, which are often, they look like AI generated swap, right? So it's not the type of product images that people engage with, right? So the only way to get people to engage with content is to actually get other people to make that content for you, and then you post that. So this is what we do with our Shopify program, is we actually build a team of ambassadors who will basically promote your brand to their audiences, because you've got 0 audience, but then you're working with, in the beginning, micro influencers, so people between 1,000 and 15,000 followers, but they've still got between 1,000 and 15,000 followers more than you have. So you send them free product, they create content which you can repost, which then gets likes and shares on your own page. That grows your social media following, and at the same time they're driving traffic organically to your store, right? Because obviously that's what you're doing. You're giving them free product, they're driving traffic to your store because they're sharing that with their audience. And as you grow on Instagram, as you get bigger, you can then start reaching out to larger accounts and driving more traffic for the products, the free products that you're actually sending them. The reason why you can't go and reach out to somebody with 1 million followers is because they will not want to work with you. It doesn't make any sense. You have to start with micro influencers. The golden rule is to approach people with between 10 and 100 times your own social media following. So say you've got 1,000, you've been doing this brand ambassador stuff for a while, you've built up your social media following to 1,000. That means the people who you will be able to work with, the people who are worth contacting, are those between 10,000 and 100,000 followers, between 10 and 100 times your size. That's your golden ratio of people who will actually be interested in what you have to offer. If you've got 1,000 followers, you try to reach out to somebody with 1 million followers, they're just never going to say no. You're just wasting your time. So you need to size yourself with the right type of people. And when you're starting from 0 and you have 0 following, you have to start with micro influencers. And I tell all of our clients, the first people that you reach out to is between 1,000 and 15,000 followers on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, whatever. Send them free product, but don't send it for free. That's important. If you send it for free, you'll get people who just want free product and they have no interest in promoting you whatsoever. It tells you all of this in my strategy guide on the How to Your First 10K with Shopify on the website. Anyone watching this now, and the reason why I'm putting a lot of information into this point right now is because anyone watching this right now who has ever wasted a single penny on paid advertising with dropshipping, thinking it was going to be easy, and then found out the hard way it wasn't, when they spent hundreds of dollars, even thousands of dollars, trying to run cold paid traffic, could have done a hell of a lot better job if they would have just read my guide first and spent all that money on working with influencers instead. So that's the way you do it. Go and check out that guide on the website. Take in all the information. If you have any questions, you can ask me on any of these live streams. I'll be more than happy to answer them, or just leave a comment. Or if you want, I'd highly recommend is that you create an account on the website. Completely free for you to do that. Once you've created an account, so go to the website, go to the Start Dropshipping page, create a free account, okay? Once you create an account, you'll be taken into the account side where you'll see our retailer app. There is a link, a Slack link to join my Slack workspace where you can reach out to me 24/7, right? And you can send me messages on Slack about whatever. So I would highly recommend anyone who is interested in dropshipping, do that, create an account on the website, come into my Slack channel, and yeah, just come and speak to me. Just tell me what you're trying to do. I can tell you what we can do for you. If you're interested to do that, great. If you're not, then I can give you all the information for you to go and do exactly what you need to do by yourself as well.